Good morning, students. Students, today we'll start a new chapter, that is multiplication. Okay, so all of you open page number 107, chapter number 4, multiplication. Okay, now what is multiplication? Why we basically do multiplication? Is there any use of multiplication? Yeah, there is a very important role of what? Multiplication. Okay, so where we will use this multiplication? Okay, let me give you one example. Suppose in your classroom, okay, 30 students are there, right? And today it's your birthday. Okay, now you want to distribute 3 chocolates to each of them. Okay, so 30 students are there, and each student, suppose this one is the student, so each student you want to distribute 3 chocolate. Okay, now how many chocolates you must have in order to distribute all these 30 students? Okay, how will you find this one? Okay, we find it in 2 ways. Okay, first way is what? Now one student means 3 chocolate. Okay, so 2 student 3 chocolate, third student, he or she also got 3 chocolates, right? Like that only we can add 3 plus 3 plus 3, okay, 30 times. This one we can do in order to find how many chocolates we must have. Okay, and the another method that we can apply is what? The method of what? Multiplication. Okay, so instead of adding these numbers again and again, okay, we can do simple multiplication in order to find out the number of chocolates that we need to distribute. Okay, so for that reason, what we can do? We can take the total number of students, that is 30, right? Now each students will get 3 chocolates, right? So we can multiply 30 with 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 threes are 9. So what will get what we got? 90. That means if you take 90 chocolates, okay, then you can easily distribute 3 chocolates to every students. Okay, like this only in our daily life we can imply the method of what? Multiplication. Okay, the magic of multiplication we can apply in our life. Okay, so in previous class we know about the tables, right? We learn about the tables and all, right? So see the first question that is given here. Write the multiplication fact. Okay, so here you have to write the multiplication fact. So how we can apply multiplication fact? See the first one. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equal to 12. Okay, this one we can also write 3. Now how many times 3 occur? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 3 multiplied 4 equal to 12. Like this also we can write, right? Okay, see the next one. So 5 plus 5, it is given, right? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, right? Equal to 30. Now the number is what? 5. Now how many times it occurred? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times. And 5 6 are how much? 30. Right? Like this only you have to write C, D and E. Okay, so first of all you just see which number it is written and how many times. Okay, we have to multiply the number with the times it occurs. Okay, as you can see, first one, 3 is the number and 3 occurs 4 times, right? So that's why we multiply 3 with 4. Okay, like that only. B also, 5, it occurs 6 times, so we multiplied 5 with 6 and we got what? 30. Like this only. C, D and E, you will do this one in your book. Okay, in your book only you have to do this one. Okay, let's move to the second part. So here it is given, complete and learn the table for 2, 6 and 10. So we have to know, okay, in multiplication we should know about the tables. Okay, so the first table is what? 2 table. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, now 3 twos are 6. Okay, I will write it here. 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 twos are 6, 4 twos are 8, 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12, 7 twos are 14, 8 twos are 16, 9 twos are 18, 10 twos are 20. Okay, this is what? The table of 2. Okay, so you just write the answer in your book. Okay, okay, now we'll do 3 table. Okay, so 1 3s are 3, okay, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15, 6 3s are 18, 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27, 10 3s are 30. Okay, so this one is what? The table of 3. Okay, so this one also you will write in your book. Okay, Okay, now let's move to the 4 table. Okay, so 4, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, wait a second, it should be 5 4s are, okay, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. Okay, this one is what a table of 4. Okay, now we'll do the last table, that is table of 5. Okay, so 1 5s are 5, 2 multiplied 5 equal to 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. Oh wait, 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. Okay, so this one is what a table of 5. Okay, this one also you have to write in your book. Okay, and also you have to learn this table. Okay, now 6 table and 10 table you will write this one by yourself. Okay, these 2 table you have to write it by yourself. So let me tell you about the factors and products. Okay, so the number that we are multiplying are called what? Factors. Okay, suppose 6 5s are 30. Okay, now these numbers are called what? Factors. Okay, 6 and 5 will be the factor. Okay, and 30 will be what? Okay, I will write here, it will be product. So the answer that we got is called what? Product. And the numbers that are multiplied are called what? Factors. Okay, So these are the factors and you have to find out the product. Okay,